Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block or prevent downloads from other PCs to expedite the speed of Windows Update on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. And now you want to go down and select the Update and Security tile. On the left panel underneath Update and Security, select Delivery Optimization, and then on the right side, you want to see where it says Allow Downloads from Other PCs, toggle that off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.